Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Samreen Abbas. The life today has become over busy. Speed is now the essence of time. Therefore, a well-connected narrative paragraph or a précis is needed to all of us. Shortcut has become a way of life. Everyone prefers shortcut, complete the task included in his or her schedule or routine. We are going to learn in detail what Precis writing is and what are the rules of writing a complete and correct précis of a given text. The word précis is derived from a French word which means precise, concise, or expressed accurately. It is clear, compact, and logical summary of a passage. It only preserves the essential ideas or points of the original passage. It is compression of a long passage into a shorter one. A précis should give all essential points so that anyone reading it will be able to understand the idea expressed in the original passage. देखिए दुनिया में कितने सारे बुक्स हैं अनकाउंटेबल हैं कंपेरेटिव एग्जाम्स में पास होने के लिए हमें दुनिया के सारे बुक्स तो नहीं पढ़ सकते हम तो हमें बहुत सारी स्टडी नहीं करनी पड़ती बल्कि स्मार्ट स्टडी करनी पड़ती है तो कुछ बुक्स ऐसे भी होते हैं जो हमें पूरे पढ़ने का टाइम वक्त नहीं होता तो हम उनके प्रिसाइज्ड जो टेक्स्ट होते हैं वो हम पढ़ के आइडिया ले सकते हैं कि ओरिजिनल टेक्स्ट में ऑथर क्या कह रहा है ठीक है ऑल इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट्स जो उसमें मौजूद होती हैं प्रेसी राइटिंग सो प्रेसी शुड गिव ऑल एसेंशियल पॉइंट्स सो दैट एनीवन रीडिंग इट कोई भी पर्सन किसी अननोन टॉपिक को पढ़े तो उसे आइडिया हो जाए वो कम्प्लीटली उसे अंडरस्टैंड कर सके कि ओरिजिनल वर्क में ऑथर क्या कह रहा है A précis is the 1/3 of the original passage. For example, if the original passage contains 300 words, you will make its précis of 100 words. The basic qualities of a good précis are clarity, correctness, objectivity, coherence, and conciseness. Clarity, what does the clarity mean? Clarity means getting your passage so that the reader can understand what the writer is trying to convey. What does the correctness means? There should be no mistake. Misspelled words, mistakes in the fakes or figures, mistakes in punctuation, and mistakes of grammar and structure. There is no leniency. There is no leniency of any mistake in your précis. What does objectivity mean? Objectivity means not to present your own opinions. You're not going to give your own opinions or ideas, not to present personal preferences. The writer should adopt an objective approach. Do not aid personal opinion and ideas. What does coherence means? It means that a logical connection, ideas should be well joined, sentences should be interrelated and chain to chain connected. A good précis is always coherent. Coherence aids in understanding the main points. And last quality of a good précis is conciseness. What does mean conciseness? Conciseness means brief and direct. It is a desirable quality of a good précis to use concise expression, avoid unnecessary expression, and convey information clearly and efficiently.